The MacBook Pro M5 delivers powerful performance with a fast M5 chip, stunning display, long battery life, and advanced features for work, creativity, and everyday use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the MacBook Pro M5, USB-C to MagSafe cable, AC power adapter, user manual, product overview, The Magic Keyboard with Touch ID lets you quickly access emojis, switch languages, unlock your MacBook Pro, and perform tasks with simple key presses. Touch ID, power button, turn on your Mac. Set up Touch ID. Unlock your Mac. Make purchases with Apple Pay. The MacBook Pro Trackpad supports easy gestures and Force Touch for smooth navigation, precise control, and responsive feedback. Function keys. How to use. Set up your MacBook Pro by choosing your settings, connecting Wi-Fi, creating an account, and signing in with your Apple ID to enable features like iCloud, Universal Clipboard, and message syncing. You can use the same account as your iPhone or create a new one during setup. Swipe left or right with 3 or 4 fingers to quickly switch between full-screen apps and your desktop. Go to Battery Settings from the menu bar to enable battery percentage display. You can also customize your Mac by adding useful widgets. How to connect. Connect external monitors using the HDMI port or compatible USB-C connections. The MacBook Pro supports up to 2 external displays with supported models. Charge your MacBook Pro M5 using the MagSafe 3 cable or USB-C power adapter. Connect it to a power source for quick and reliable charging. Smart features? Powered by the Apple M5 chip for faster performance, smoother multitasking, and efficient handling of demanding tasks. High-resolution display with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and accurate visuals for professional work, editing, and entertainment. Uses the M5 chip's neural engine to improve AI-powered tasks and intelligent features. Enhances creative workflows, productivity tools, and machine learning performance. Offers all-day battery performance for work, streaming, browsing, and daily activities. Provides reliable usage with efficient power management for longer productivity. Supports fast and convenient charging with a secure magnetic connection. Allows easy cable attachment and quick charging without interrupting your workflow. Includes Thunderbolt/USB-C ports, HDMI, and support for external displays. Enables high-speed data transfer and connection with professional accessories. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your MacBook Pro M5. See you in the next one.